Hi, I'm Treasure. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm really excited to be able to announce that I've added a recommended resources page to my site. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I promised myself I would work on it over the summer, and I actually completed it, which is something that I really struggle with. So I hope you'll go and check it out. Now, you may be thinking, hey, lots of people have resources pages. What's so great or different about that? Well, this is not some comprehensive list that I compiled that includes everything that I thought you might find useful. This is more like I'm opening my personal toolkit and I'm showing you the exact tools that I use. This has got all my very, very best resources in it. There's stuff there on costuming. I get a lot of questions about that. But the thing that I'm most proud of is the hardware and help section. That has some information in there, some contacts that were very, very difficult to find. But I think there's something there for anybody, whether you're an instructor, a studio owner, or a dancer, or someone who wants to create instructional videos. This is a curated page, so I'm going to be adding to it from time to time, and I'm also going to be deleting things that maybe I don't think are helpful anymore, or maybe I've had problems with that source, so I'm going to be keeping it up. And there are no affiliate links. This is just one dancer making personal recommendations to another. I hope you'll check it out. You can find it at treasuremarshall.wordpress.com. If you don't find what you're looking for, please drop me an email. I may have a source, and if I don't, I may be able to point you in the right direction. So thanks again for joining me, and I hope you'll find the resources page helpful.